All right, so we are going to go over how to create a new team on Microsoft Teams. You can see a few of my existing teams already, which I use for work, but we're going to go right up here and click this button that says join or create team. And we are not joining a team, so we're not going to worry about this. We're going to click create team. So the first thing you have to do is kind of pick how you would like your team to be organized. For our purposes, we're going to click class. So we are going to be the owner of our class. We're just going to make this Miss O's kindergarten class. Right. So we're going to click create team and we're going to give it a moment to load. We're going to skip this step for now because for privacy reasons, I'm not going to add any real students to this class. So here is our page for our kindergarten class. The first thing that we're going to want to do is edit it. We're going to want to customize this some. So we're going to click right up here and we're going to pick a new avatar. So we're going to scroll through and find something that looks good for our kindergarten class. You know what, we're going to pick these leaves because you know what, in kindergarten they're growing like weeds. So we've got an updated avatar. This will update eventually. It doesn't look like it wants to right now, but it should happen. And next thing that we're going to do is add some pages. So we're going to add some more channels. So we're going to click here and we're going to add a channel. So the channels are fantastic for organizing into different subjects or groups. So we're going to make just a regular channel and we're going to call this our reading channel. And we're going to fill in a description. This is going to be where, let's say this is going to be where we can find all of our reading materials. So we'll just say reading materials found here. And we're going to make sure that we want to automatically show this in everyone's channel list when they log in. So we're going to click add. It's going to add our channel. So here's our reading channel, and we will automatically be able to show this channel to everyone when they get added to our team. And we can upload all sorts of things. So we can upload files or notes from a class notebook that we create as well. So we're going to give this a second to load. Yeah, well, yep, and here it goes. So when we add content to the class notebook space, it'll show up here. So we're going to go back to general and we are going to create our first post. So we're going to click new conversation and we're going to make an announcement. So we're going to click right here. We're going to change new conversation to announcement and we'll just make a welcome to class post. And let's add a GIF. So we're going to click down here. And let's search welcome. Let's do this little gingerbread man looking guy. He's cute. So, and then we're going to post by sending it with this little paper airplane down here. We're going to click send. And now we've got our first